Hi, in front of me is HUAWEI Honor 9X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change icon style on this device. Go into settings and choose home screen and wallpaper. Now click on themes. Go into categories over here, select themes and pick one of the options, for example top 3. Now select theme in which you like icons, I will go with that one, and choose free download. Then tap on Customize and select only icons. After that, tap on Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that style of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!